Z Play Coach here, and this is the Ultimate Play Kit.
All right, so inside the Ultimate Play Kit, you're gonna have this. This is your hemp fabric with 6 patterns on there to make up 3 HACKiBills. And you're also gonna have this, which is your instructions. One side of it's gonna have all the instructions done in detail. This side, this becomes your funnel, as well as you have the video instructions right here, as well as this goes to the Ultimate Juggling course. And we also have the hemp seeds, which go inside there, needle, thread, you get a little bookmark bonus, and this thing right here for folding origami and folding your brain into shape. There you go, it's the Ultimate Play Kit. Have fun.
So when you finish making the Ultimate Play Kit, what do you have? 3 Ultimate Play tools. What can you do with that? Well, juggle them around, throw them around, slap them around, bean each other, knock them in cups, knock down cups. Infinite play opportunities with this Ultimate Play tool that you keep in your pocket. Now, after that, you can just make your own. Cut them out of some fabric, stuff them with the hemp seeds, and then put your own logo design on them, or drop a nice thing on there, and then gift it away to other people. Change our world. We need to create more of a playground. We need to create more of that play flow state. We need more smiles. You guys can do it. It's up to you. Enjoy, you guys. Thank you so much for your time. Blessings to you all. Aloha nui loa.